Welcome back! Today we will help you choose the best robotic pool cleaner for you. When it comes time to clean your outdoor or indoor pool, the most efficient tool is the robotic pool cleaner, for an easier way to keep your pool clean and lower the cost of maintenance. Having a robot pool cleaner is a great way to facilitate the pool cleaning task, but choosing the best or the right pool cleaner can be a difficult task. We will help you choose among the top 5 best robotic pool cleaners for you. Based on your specific needs and budget, there is one for you. We have made this list in no particular order. Stay tuned to find the best robotic pool cleaner that fit your needs. As always, all the links about these products will be on the description below. So if you want to find the best prices and more information about the robotic pool cleaners, which we might not have mentioned, be sure to check it out. Before we start, we will help you break down the features you might want to look for in your new robotic pool cleaner. You need to ask yourself 3 key questions. What kind of pool do you have? What is the size of your pool? What do you need the pool cleaner to do? Most cleaners can handle any pool surface, but if you happen to have a very slippery tile pool or fiber pool, you will probably want a cleaner with a super soft grip brush. Bear in mind the size of your pool. Each robotic pool cleaner comes with a fixed power cable. You will need a cleaner with enough cable to reach all your pool. According to your needs and budget, there are robotic pool cleaners that simply vacuum the floor, others have fixed brushes, and others have active rotation brushes. Bear in mind that the added features typically mean added cost. Other pool cleaners clean the floor, cove, and lower or partial wall. Most of these have active clean brushes that help them climb and also aid in cleaning. Finally, some pool robots clean your pool floor, wall, and water line. These cleaners are typically the most advanced cleaners. Next up, the Dolphin Escape. The new Dolphin Escape is one of the least expensive robotic pool cleaners made from Escape Robotics, the world leader in robotic pool cleaner technology. This unit is a simple, affordable robotic pool cleaner that features a ton of advanced features. Included hyperbrush scrubbing, advanced filtration and smart scanning system, and rubber track to ensure the unit quickly and throughout cleans every inch of your pool. The Dolphin Escape dual motors are also optimized to be as efficient as possible using much less energy than other pool cleaners. It comes with a long 42 feet long power cable with anti-tangling. When using the Dolphin Escape, it will scan the entire floor using its scan and mapping system SmartNav. As it moves, the SmartNav guides it to clean every part of the pool and avoid returning to areas that are clean or avoid missing spots. This results in a faster and more efficient cycle compared to other cleaners at this price who tend to rely on random navigation. The ultrafine filter in the Dolphin Escape will catch everything from the smallest particle to the tiniest debris, leaving your pool nice and clean. The cleaning action of the Dolphin Escape is bidirectional, meaning it will continue to vacuum and brush even if it's going forward or in reverse. The cons are that this machine does not have control remote or time schedule, so you can't program it to run automatically in the week or throughout the app. But this is expected for its low price range for robotic pool cleaners. The Dolphin Escape represents the state-of-the-art in low-cost robotic pool cleaners. It is packed with most of the latest advances in pool cleaner technology that matters. Next up, we have the Dolphin Nautilus Plus robotic pool cleaner. The clever cleaner technology exclusive to Dolphin pool cleaners only makes sure that the pool is clean with no debris left and no areas missed out. This technology allows for throughout cleaning including the floor tile lines, walls, and step of your in-ground pool as well as the water line. The advanced Dolphin Nautilus Plus will leave your pool crystal clear when it's done. The Dolphin Nautilus Plus is built with a large top-access filter system that features 2 advanced filters to remove all different sizes of debris for a throughout cleaning operation. The downsides of this product are replacement filters, which are expensive in case they break down. But in that case, The Dolphin Nautilus Plus is a durable machine which has an easy modular components, meaning that you can fix most of the parts of the robotic pool cleaner for a lower cost. Also, this machine is a solid and robust, which can result in a heavy machine, especially when pulling it out of the water and need to be handled with care. Concluding, the Dolphin Nautilus Plus robotic pool cleaner is ahead of its time, and it has an advanced technology to scrub and vacuum properly. It actually delivers what it promises in the advertisement. It's easy to operate and it cleans faster than any human cleaner. Next up in our list is the TigerShark QC. The TigerShark QC is the greatest technologically high-quality robotic pool cleaner. It's mounted with an intelligent microprocessor-based technology to effectively polish and clean the swimming pool in the shortest possible time. TigerShark family is recognized for its superior performance in reliability and efficiency, with the two cleaning speeds, fast and really fast. You will be sure every area in your pool gets clean and fast, offering the fast 90-minute quick clean cycle or the normal fast 3-hour complete cycle for full in-depth floor, wall and waterline cleaning. The powerful vacuum on board pumps for intense vacuum power to suck up debris and dirt, built with an efficient 24-volt motor designed to use less energy at lower cost. The unique cartridge filter system makes emptying easy. Just open the cleaner, remove the cartridge and rinse with a hose. Easy to use, no extra hoses, hookups or pumps required. The TigerShark runs separately from the pool's filtration system, reducing the frequency of the filter backwash. The cons of the TigerShark QC start with a cable which is prone to tangle, and when the device is set to quick cleaning cycle, it does not climb walls. Next in our list is the Aquabot Breeze IQ. When it comes to pool cleaning, we opt to choose the best. We prepare to have an efficient, reliable and affordable cleaner. The Aquabot Breeze IQ robotic pool cleaner is intended to clean pools of all sizes and surfaces. It's an energy-saving, rapid cleaning robotic pool cleaner, which provides an exceptional cleaning experience of floor, walls and water lines. With the top-mounted basket, Aquabot Breeze IQ can help you brush, vacuum and filter all sizes of dirt and particles like pollen and dust down to 2 microns. To compare, the human hair is 50 microns, which reduce the number of bacteria and algae growing in the pool. This cleaner is as simple as plug and play. Cleaning the pool has never been easier. This robotic pool cleaner will do the job for you in a much faster and efficient way. Additionally, the robotic pool cleaner comes with a 60 feet long cable with an anti-tangling system, so you never have to worry for tangle cords. The Aquabot Breeze IQ features the AquaSmart system, one of the leading cleaning technologies, which permits the robotic pool cleaner to clean in the shortest period of time while providing an advanced scrub down. The downside of the Aquabot Breeze IQ is that the scrubber wear out easy, but it includes 1 year full guarantee and a 2nd year limited coverage. Next in our list is the Polaris 9550 Sport Pool Cleaner. The Polaris 9550 Sport is one excellent pool cleaner for an affordable price. It comes with a 70 feet long cable, a caddy for transport and storage, and a controller. The Polaris 9550 Sport comes packed in a compact and sleek design. It's been designed to the last detail to ensure it's optimized to clean your pool. The robotic pool cleaner has 4-wheel traction system with 2 scrubbers attached in the front. A dirt canister indicator, which is rarely found in any other robotic pool cleaners, which tells you if the canister and the filters need to be cleaned without having to check it yourself. Its amazing ability to climb make it a great tool for cleaning any pool floor, walls and water lines. It has some next generation features as well as an easy lift, which offers a 1-button press to bring the robotic pool cleaner to the surface to easily lift it up. The 7-day programmable timer that allows the pool owner to schedule cleaning sessions is another notable feature that comes with the Polaris 9550. Riddled with the best features technology has to offer, this cleaner is able to tackle a typical cleaning job within 2.5 hours and can handle pools that are up to 60 feet long. It comes with a 2-year guarantee. You can rest assured you're purchasing a durable product when it comes to the Polaris 9550. The Polaris 9550 Sport is a very efficient pool cleaner. It is designed with the user comfort in mind, by accessorying it heavily with gadgets that allow you to clean your pool with as little effort and time as possible. If you're looking for a top-notch in-ground pool cleaner that is low in maintenance, effective and durable, then this is for you. That will be all for this video. If you like this video, let us know with your comments and go ahead and give us a like. If you're new to the channel, consider to subscribe for more videos. We make the top best product reviews to make your decision easier.